Beautiful morning, guys. Let's make some money again. As you can see, guys, I have 13,630 USDT worth 1,763,724 in my account. As I refresh like this, guys, you can see this real balance and not fake. Others can show you fake tokens, fake everything, and they dupe you to trade on their fake exchanges. Okay, and remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing step by step. And so, guys, I did not come here to show you my balance. What I came here to do is to show you how you can turn your 100 USDT, your 1000 USDT into a balance like this or even more. In short, how you can earn passive income trading triangular arbitrage. Triangular arbitrage is simply buying USDT from one exchange and then you sell it on another exchange at a higher price. And so, without wasting time, let's do this. So the first thing, guys, that I'll need to do, I need to have the exchange that I'm going to trade on, because I have already purchased the USDT on my account. The next step, I'll go to the exchange that I'm trading with, which is Trexbic.app. So how did you find the exchange? You just go on your Google and then you search Trexbic.app. Okay, Trexbic.app. Okay, and then you'll create an account on that exchange like that. And then after creating the account, guys, the next step, you need to fund your account. So I'll go direct into funding my account. I'll click on the three dots, click on crypto wallet, and then I'll click on deposit. And you make sure you deposit on funding wallet, and I'm going to put amount I'm going to deposit today is 1000 USDT. And then, guys, I'll click get deposit address, and then, guys, I'm going to copy my deposit address like that, and I'm going on my Binance, and then I'll click on assets, send, withdraw crypto USDT. And guys, I'm going to long press that address here, and I'll put the network as is Tron TRC20 because it's USDT. And I'm going to put amount 1001.3, so that 1.3 is the network fee for Binance. Okay, and then I'll click on withdraw and confirm. And then, guys, I'm going now to verify my passkey, and I'm putting my passkey, guys. And remember, guys, to always hide your passkey from people, because some other people can scam you and steal your money on your Binance. Remember, guys, you can also use any other exchange. You can use Trust Wallet, you can use any other wallet that you have, as long as you have USDT, Ethereum, BTC, or anything. Okay, and so, guys, I'll click on view history, and you can see the withdrawal is processing. Now, since the withdrawal is processing, guys, I'll go back here, and then I'll click I have paid, so that it can start now scanning the blockchain and then reward my deposit to my account. At this process, guys, remember, you don't need to do anything. You just need to be patient, and very patient. You can see, guys, you can also deposit with a QR code. This is the QR code. You can also scan and deposit. And also, guys, you can also deposit TRX if you want. You can see I have 1020 TRX right now on my account. And also, guys, when you do that deposit like that, remember to be patient so that it can get credited slowly. Okay, so let's wait for it to be credited, and then we will go ahead and start trading to make our profit. You can see this one here on Binance is completed, so now we're waiting for it here in a few. Let's wait it in a few, guys, a few more seconds. And there it is, deposited, credited in your funding wallet. And now, guys, you can see my balance has jumped to 1070. And now this is where now the trading comes, where you make the profit. So how do you trade? You click the three dots, you go to P2P market. Now you need to sell that USDT, and then the coin, you scroll and choose the USDT. And then, guys, make sure you find someone you can sell, like this one, Zara Okonko 1.3, which is the best offer right now. Click sell on Zara and put 1000, and you see the return is 1000 to 26, and that is the profit that we will make on this trade. And then proceed, and then I'll click on settle, and the payment method to settle is USDT. And here is what I need you to understand, guys. You can see here external wallet and Trexbic spot wallet. If you use external wallet, they'll charge you 4% fee. If you use spot wallet, they'll charge you 2% fee. Okay, so always use 2% because you can also withdraw after. So I'll choose 2% fee and continue, and you can see the trade is now loading. Okay, so now here guys, I need to text the vendor, hi, I have sold. Okay, so now I have texted the vendor and I'm waiting for the vendor to reply. You can see the vendor has replied. Okay, he said that I'll release the funds once I confirm your payment, just hang tight. Also I'll reply okay. So now guys, I'm waiting for the vendor to pay me in 1 minute time. All right, remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it or advise you as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing and they follow the instructions. All right, and you see now guys, let me now show you something as we wait for the vendor to pay the trader. You can see I have sold USDT at a price of 1.254, and then I got back 1,251. They deducted a fee of 26, so I think I got about 226 in profit. All right, so that's what we call triangular arbitrage trading, where you buy a coin from another exchange and you sell it on another exchange, guys. And remember, this is real transactions. There is nothing like fake here. Okay, others will show you fake screenshots, try to steal your money, so be very careful about scammers out there who show you fake screenshots, fake videos. They even have fake tokens. If somebody is legit, guys, let them do trades with Binance or Ox. If they use Trust Wallet or any other thing, they are scammers and you need to run for your life. Okay, I'm the only legitimate trader online you can find who will show you the best way to trade and earn passive income. And now you see it says that your funds are ready in your spot wallet, ready to be withdrawn. Okay, so before I release this trade, I need to go back here, and you see now I have 1297. Okay, because I've confirmed my funds are there. Now I'll go to financial history and I'll go to P2P trades, and you see this the pending one. Now I'll go and release the trade. Remember guys, on Trexbic.app you can also trade using AI bots, you can trade using futures and spot. Okay, I will also show you how you can trade with that in a few. And so guys, because I have made my profit, now the next step is now to cash out, to withdraw. So I'll click on the three dots, go to crypto wallet and withdraw. And then guys, I'm going to choose my funding wallet as 0, so I'll choose my spot wallet. Okay, after trading all your funds, move to spot wallet, and then I'll choose 100%. And you can see after withdrawal, guys, I'm going to get 1,184. Remember, I did a deposit of 1,000 only, so that's a profit of 184.05 in profit, guys. And so I'll continue to address. Now at this level, I'm going back to my account here, and then I'll click add funds, deposit crypto, USDT, TRX. Guys, I'm copying my address, and then I'm going to put the address here, and then I will repeat it here, guys, with you, and then a review. So you can see they have sent me an email verification code. Now I'm going to my email right now to take that verification code. And guys, you can see the verification code on my email is here. I will copy it like that, and I'm going back here and put the verification code here and then confirm. Very carefully, you can see the withdrawal is now processing. And you can see, guys, for the last few days, these are the withdrawals I've been doing on my Trexbic account, and you can see, guys, the withdrawal is now processing. Okay, and the good thing is, guys, once you submit the withdrawal and you see this one pending here, something called the view on Transcan, just know the withdrawal is on its way to your wallet and you are about to cash out and make some profit. Okay, now I'll click on view on Transcan. And guys, you can see here the withdrawal is successful, and it's still unconfirmed. You know, guys, some people can even show you withdrawals, they can't even show you that the withdrawal is on blockchain. Some will fake their withdrawals, but if you can see that there is no way you can fake a Transcan withdrawal, guys. Okay, because it's real time unless people are editing. And you can see I'm recording this video real time. There's nothing like editing. and you can see now here it's saying confirmed. And if I go back to my wallet here, it's already confirmed, guys, completed. Here you can see on today is 3rd of June 2026, and the withdrawal of 1,184 has been sent. So now the next step, guys, we need now to confirm our Binance account if we received that withdrawal. Okay, so I'll go back to my Binance, and you can see now I have 13,814, and I received 1,184 to my account in a few minutes ago. And that's how, guys, I made a profit of 184 USDT in just 9 minutes. And I'll go back and trade again and still make more. Okay, so as I told you guys, you can also trade using AI bots. Here there are trading bots. Here you can come, there are free bots where you can even come and use them to trade on Trexbic.app. You can just simply copy these bots and you stake your amount. You can see right now I have no amount to stake, so once you have that, you can stake and still make money. Okay, and also you can also, guys, trade with the AI bots. You can also do future trading here, and also you can also trade using spot wallets. Here this is a spot trading, guys, and you can also use that to make profits. And so, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like the video, share to others, and also join my Telegram channel. Come on my TikTok here. This is my TikTok account, guys. This is my TikTok account. Once you click on this link here, this one will take you to my bot. Okay, once you click it like that, you just need to click on, okay, and then open. Click on open, and it will take you to my bot. This is my bot, guys. Okay, once you open that my bot, okay, you just click on start. Right, on start, just put start like this. Okay, once it started, guys, you'll get a link here saying that join my free Telegram, and it will take you to my link to my channel. This is now my channel where I have over 43,000 subscribers. And here, guys, you'll also find a link to where I post my videos to my YouTube channel. Like this one is my YouTube channel. This link will take you to my YouTube channel where I upload the videos for you for free to watch. And my YouTube channel has 466,000 subscribers, so do not get confused with that and use other links. Okay, remember my channel has 466,000 subscribers and 44,000 Telegram and 72,000 TikTok. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and God bless you, and have a lovely week ahead, a new month. I wish you all the best and success in your life.